Hi guys, today I'm playing Project Shadow with mods. Because in Project Shadow you can get in mods. Because Project Shadow you can have mods. Look. Wait, I've got really long arms. I'm playing Project Shadow, so Gorilla Tag fan game with mods. But I'm not deleting the game. Ooh. I'm invisible! I'm invisible! If you saw a monkey, wait guys, if you saw a monkey running at you like this, what would you do? If you literally saw a if you literally saw a monkey like this, what would you do? Yum! Oh, I'm no clipping. I just no clipped. Oh, I accidentally fell off the map. Yeah, but wait, there's platform. Wait, do you know you can also get platforms to wall climb? Elevator climbing. Invisible platforms. Helicopter monkey. Helicopter monkey. Helicopter. Hello guys, I'm using platforms. No, my platform still works here. Guys, if you saw a monkey like this, what would you do? If you saw a monkey like this, what would you do? Hey bro, you're wall climbing! I'm wall climbing, I'm Lucioing, kind of. I'm kind of Lucioing. Yeah bro, I have long arms. I like my long arms. But I'm wall climbing! Hey bro, let me see if I can vertical. Bro, my arms are broken! My arms are broken, they give me free vertical wall running. Not the get my long arms my long arms give me free pro skill. Yeah, me hearties. Whee! Guys, if you saw a monkey going like this at you, what would you do? What's the night and bro, I'm an aeroplane. Bro, I'm a literal aeroplane. No, bro, I'm actually an aeroplane. Yum. Oh, I accidentally made it low quality. Yeah, bro, it's easy to wall climb. Just use platforms. platforms. I have invisible platforms and I'm gonna wall run to slippery walls. Auto wall climb? What page is that? No, what page is auto wall climb? Auto pitch climb? Wait, joystick fly? Oh, yes. Duck, duck, duck. But look. Mwahaha! 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 Whee! Exactly. Wall walk? Oh my god. Okay, yeah, bro. Yeah, bro, this is too overpowered. Bro, I'm just throwing a lot. I just have a billion snowballs following me. Bro, the snowballs are carrying me. Bro, I have so much snowballs. Bro, you should see my lobby is filled with snowballs. No, snowballs. Wait, auto funny run. Auto pinch climb. Whee! This is not auto pinch climbing. Bruh. Bro, my lobby is lagging so much because of how many snowballs there. Spider monkey? Wait, dance mod? Well, this is not dancing. But I'm not dancing. Okay, yeah, bro, I am dancing. Oh my god, bro, I need to turn this snowball mod off. Oh, finally! Oh no, this is like old Gorilla Tag. Yeah, I don't think they will. Bro, my lobby is so laggy! Wait, break neck? I did break neck. My neck is not broken. My neck does not look broken, but all I know is that my game is super duper laggy because I have like a billion snowballs. No! No, bro, this is the best mod menu ever! Guys, go download Project Shadows. Downloaded it right now. Download it right now. Guys, this is my mod menu. Rig gun. But I want to find the wall run one. Oh Oh my god, my neck is broken! My neck! My neck! I want my neck back! I want my neck back! I want my neck back! Yeah, but I definitely don't have Lucky Blocks. Am I just dancing right now? No, I don't even know. Wait, bro, I'm becoming Spider-Man! Spider-Man! Bro, I'm literally Spider-Monkey. Instead of... I was the one... No, bro, how did you ban someone? How are you banning people? No. Platforms. Bro, I'm just a giant using platform. I'm just a giant platform user. Whee! Nah, boy. Nah, boy, I'm getting out here whenever I want. Nah, bro, you're player 645. You're 654. 321. Bro, this mod menu is out of control. Bro, I did no clip. I just no clip myself. A TP gun? You don't know what it is. It's very, very bad. I went out in the mod for the. I went out with the TP mod. But I told you there was 3 mods in here. I literally told you there was 3 mods in here. I wanna have head spin. I wanna have head spin. Bro, where's my head spin? Where's my free head spin? I said head spin. No, bro, this is fun. Okay, fine. I'm gonna be on for long because my headset's about to die.